Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. In this comprehensive review of Ivacy VPN, we'll delve into its features, performance, and overall user experience. Find links to the product in the description below for your convenience. Ivacy VPN presents a robust and dependable service catering to users seeking a harmonious blend of speed, online privacy, and user-friendliness. Employing robust AES-256 encryption, it ensures your digital activities remain shielded, even on vulnerable public Wi-Fi networks. Ivacy's strict no-logs policy guarantees your data remains uncollected and untracked, giving you peace of mind knowing your browsing history is private. A notable feature is split tunneling, empowering you to route select apps or websites through the VPN while others connect directly to the internet. This proves invaluable for accessing region-specific content while maintaining local connections for tasks like online banking or gaming. Moreover, Ivacy supports P2P file sharing, making it an excellent option for torrenting. With a network exceeding 3,500 servers spanning over 100 locations, it offers ample choices for masking your IP address and bypassing geo-restrictions. Ivacy VPN is designed for users who prioritize simplicity without compromising performance. The application boasts an intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate, while simultaneously offering advanced functionalities for seasoned users. It functions seamlessly across various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even Reuters. Streaming enthusiasts will particularly value the ability to circumvent geo-blocks on popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. Speeds are generally consistent, although performance can fluctuate depending on the chosen server and its location. Overall, Ivacy VPN achieves an admirable balance between privacy and speed. In summary, Ivacy VPN is a superb choice for those seeking a budget-friendly, hassle-free VPN solution that excels in privacy, security, and content access. For a deeper dive into Ivacy VPN, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.